Good morning, all of you.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Okay, so today, in continuation with the same history chapter, the national movement, we will have a look at Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and the INA, Indian National Army. Okay, now there were many great heroes born at the time of the freedom struggle or the freedom movement, and each had their own methods of attaining one goal. Now, all wanted independence for India, all wanted Swaraj, but the methods of each were different. Now, some believed in non-violent methods, whereas others did not. Some thought that independence can only be achieved through weapons and through arms. Now, one such hero was Subhash Chandra Bose, who was popularly known as Netaji. We call him Netaji. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay. Now, Netaji was influenced more by Lokmanya Tilak and Sri Aurobindo, and he was not with one mind about with Gandhiji's methods of achieving independence through non-violence. So he was not a supporter of Gandhiji's view of non-violence, and Rana Pratap and Shivaji were his heroes. So Netaji's heroes were Rana Pratap and Shivaji, and he believed that the only way to liberate the country and to free the people from British rule, it was by direct action. So at first, Netaji he joined the Congress party, and he was elected the president twice. But because he did not agree with Gandhiji's views, so he broke off from the Congress and he formed the Forward Bloc. And he was imprisoned. He was imprisoned for his revolutionary activities on various occasions. So various occasions he also went to prison. Now his meeting with Hitler at the time of World War II, the British they were in a tight spot because of the pressure from Hitler. So Second World War, Hitler he was quite strong, and so he has put a lot of pressure on Britain. And now Netaji at that time he was under detention in Calcutta, and so he decided to take advantage of the situation because the World War was on, and the people were more concerned about that, and so he took the opportunity and he was able to flee from here. So he dressed as a Pathan, and then he escaped to Peshawar, and then moved on to Kabul, and then Moscow, and next he went to Germany. And there in Germany he approached Hitler, and with his cause, so he met Hitler and told him that what he wanted and how he wanted, and Hitler was impressed with him and promised to help him. And then Netaji he organized the all Indian prisoners of war to form the Liberation Army and free India. Okay, now in 1943, Netaji he went to Japan and formed the INA in Singapore. And the year 1945 it witnessed the INA waging a war. So in 1945 the INA it waged war in the northeastern side of our country. What would be the northeastern side?
Ma'am, the area of UP and Bihar, and ma'am, the other like Assam and other states.
Okay. He inspired his army with the battle cry of Dilli Chalo. And now, even though he was not successful in his battle, but still he was successful in passing the message, the this message home, that Indians would not settle for anything less than independence. And the British realized that now the Indians were very serious about getting independence, and they would do anything now to get their independence. And on August 17, 1945, it is said that Netaji, he died in a plane crash while flying from Bangkok to Tokyo, and though he did not live long enough to see India's independence, but his spirit, it still lives through his words, Jai Hind. So though he was not able to witness India's independence, but still he lives on uh, with his words and with his inspiration that he provided to the people. So that was the chapter. Now let's quickly mark the exercises. Have a pencil ready, all of you. Should I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which of the following pairs is incorrectly matched?
Ma'am, D1.
Okay, foundation of Indian National Congress. Which year is the correct one?
Ma'am, 1885.
Okay, 1885. Which of the following was not a moderate leader? Dadabhai Naroji, Surendranath Banerjee, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Firoz Shah Mehta.
Ma'am, C.
Okay,
Firoz Shah Mehta.
it is C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was not a moderate leader. In Deltaic Andhra, which movement was referred to as the Vande Mataram movement?
Ma'am, A. Swadeshi and
Right,
Swadeshi and boycott.
right, Swadeshi and boycott. When did the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy occur?
Ma'am, B. 13th April 1990.
Okay,
13 April 1990.
correct, 13th April 1919. Do or Die slogan was given by Mahatma Gandhi at the commencement or the starting of which movement?
Ma'am, quit.
Ma'am, quit
India movement.
Okay,
Quit India movement.
Quit India movement. Which of the following statements regarding Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan is incorrect?
Ma'am, D. He opposed Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay, right. He did not oppose Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, match the following. First President of the Indian National Congress.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Sarojini
Ma'am
Naidu.
Sarojini Naidu.
IN.
No, first President of the INC.
Naidu.
Ma'am, founder of INA.
Beta, who was the first President of the INC? W.C. Banerjee. Okay, Jallianwala Bagh.
Ma'am, Amrit.
Amritsar. Netaji.
Founded INA.
Okay, okay, founder of INA. India's first woman governor.
Sarojini Naidu.
Sarojini Naidu.
Yes, correct. Sarojini Naidu. Yes. Indian National Congress.
Founded in 1880.
Founded in 1885.
Right. Founded in 1885. State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay. The Arms Act of 1878 allowed Indians to possess arms.
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am, true.
It allowed them to possess.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
false.
false.
It disallowed them. They could not possess arms after the Arms Act of 1878. The first session of INC was attended by 72 delegates.
True.
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 Yes, true. In 1906, the All India Muslim League was founded by Aga Khan.
False.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
false.
false.
Why false?
Ma'am, true. Ma'am, true.
It is true.
No, ma'am.
Why no?
Ma'am, Muhammad Ali Jinnah founded.
Then, if you are saying that, then you need to turn to page number 98. Not 98. The book, your book page number is different. 1, 2, 3. Beta, wait na. Turn to third page of your chapter. Third page of your chapter. Second column. Fourth last paragraph. Fourth last paragraph. Check the second line. In 1906. Got that line?
Yes, ma'am.
What is written there?
Yes, ma'am.
Founded by Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, Aga Khan.
Right. So it is true.
Ma'am, Aga Khan.
Hmm. Next. In 1918, the British passed the Rowlatt Act. True or false?
Ma'am, false.
False. Which year Rowlatt Act was passed?
False.
Yes, which year the Rowlatt Act was passed?
Ma'am, 1919.
Right, 1919.
1919.
Correct. Mahatma Gandhi started the Quit India movement in 1945.
Ma'am, false.
Ma'am,
Which
false.
okay, which year the Quit India movement was started?
Ma'am, 1942.
Ma'am,
1942.
1942.
Right, correct, 1942. Now fill in the blanks with the words given below. Sarojini Naidu participated in the Dash conference in 1931.
Ma'am, round table.
Round.
Round.
Table.
Right, round table. Subhash Chandra Bose was popularly known as
Netaji.
Netaji. Okay.
Netaji.
Gandhiji arrived in Dash from South Africa in 1915.
India.
India. Okay. The Dash Satyagraha was a non-violent protest against the British salt tax.
Salt.
The salt Satyagraha. Okay, the salt Satyagraha, right? And the last one, the Indian National Congress chose Dash as its main tactic for winning independence.
Satyagraha.
Okay,
Satyagraha.
Satyagraha, right. Alright, so those were the exercises and the question answers I will send you. Okay.